Hey everybody, it's Dan with Smoke Daddy Inc. and Pellet Pro Grills, here with Liz.
Hello everybody.
Looks like the second time using our nice stainless steel flat top griddle for pellet grills. Today we're doing some bacon. We're going to be doing little potatoes, eggs, and pancakes for lunch. So it's going to be a mighty fine lunch today. So right now we got the grill set to just 250. As I clock the temperature in on the griddle, it's about 300 degrees, 350 right in the center, so it's cooking real nicely, as you can see. Yeah, we'll continue to cook this bacon here, and then we'll come right back for the potatoes. Alright, one thing I just wanted to point out, this griddle has 4 adjustable legs on each corner, so you can actually adjust the angle of this. And as you can see with this bacon, all that grease, we have it angled to the front, so you can see that grease nicely flowing down that little trough there right into the grease catch. So yeah, you're not going to make a mess. You can angle that however you need to, depending on the level ground or the grill you have. So I just wanted to make mention of that. That works really nice with this bacon. Alright, so now that our bacon is all done, we're moving on to the seasoned potatoes. So yeah, you can see they're starting to cook there already. Now this griddle, it's a really thick 10 gauge stainless steel. So that's just a little bit, about 1/8 of an inch thick. So that heat distributes pretty evenly throughout the whole area. And as you can see with this, it doesn't need a bottom baffle like some others have. It works perfectly fine. Just putting that right over the burn pot. It works excellent. We have not closed the lid once since we've been doing this today. So we're gonna let these cook for a little while, then we'll move on to the eggs and pancakes. Alright, so we're moving on to the eggs now. So we're just plopping them right on there. I like mine over hard, because that's the way we're gonna be doing them. Same with Liz. So yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's hot enough. Takes no time at all. Just put a little oil on there, flip them around. So we'll cook these eggs up, and we'll be right back with pancakes. All right, so yeah, we got our last pancake on here now. Man, look at that color. That's a nice golden brown pancake. So yeah, this griddle fits on any grill that's 19.5 inches deep. So yeah, it'll fit on a lot of different brands, pellet grills, different models. It fits right in there. Just take out your heat diffuser and drip pan, and bam, you're ready to go. Cook your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, anything you want. So yeah, if you want to check out more information on this or any information on ordering, go to smokedaddyinc.com, or you give us a call anytime at 847-336-1329. Thanks for looking. Go start cooking.